Hey friends, if you wish to install and update the LG monitor drivers on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So simply search for LG monitor drivers in the search bar and go to the software, firmware and driver downloads page. Now you'll have to enter the model number of your product here. You can find it on the product itself. I have a model number here for a certain set of monitors, so I'll type it here and hit enter. Now go to the monitor section and you will be able to go to manuals and software. Okay, and now you can download the concerned software for Windows. I'll prefer it for Windows because I have a Windows system. So this is how you can save it. After that, so when we say monitor drivers, I should let you know that there are no drivers for monitor itself. Basically, the drivers are for the computer. This is to connect the monitor to your system. So these are the drivers associated with the monitor, but it is for your computer. Okay, it has to be installed right into your CPU. Now, once it is downloaded and installed, you can right click on it and then you can select extract all and then click on extract and then double click on this page and just double click on the setup here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.